Reasonable Doubt Season 3, a legal thriller with a personal touch. Reasonable Doubt has captivated audiences with its blend of high-stakes legal dramas and intimate character studies. As the show gears up for its third season, fans can expect a thrilling continuation of the story of Jacqueline Stewart, a brilliant defense attorney navigating the complexities of legal system and her personal life. Jax is back, and she is ready to take on her toughest challenge yet. How will the events of Season 2 impact Jax's personal and professional life in Season 3? What can you tease about the new cases that Jax will be handling in the upcoming season? What will happen in Reasonable Doubt Season 3? While specific plot details for Season 3 are still under wraps, we can anticipate a series of gripping legal battles that will test Jax's skills and ethics. Season 3 promises to introduce a new high-profile case that will push Jax to her limits. Expect intricate legal maneuvers, shocking twists, and moral dilemmas that will keep viewers on the edge of their seats. As the series progresses, we will witness the further development of Jax's character. She will continue to grapple with her personal issues such as co-parenting and self-doubt while striving for professional success. Reasonable Doubt has always been adept at delving into the complexities of legal system. Season 3 will likely delve deeper into the ethical implications of legal decisions and the impact they have on individuals and society. The show's talented supporting cast will undoubtedly play pivotal roles in Season 3. Expect to see more from characters like Isra, who adds a layer of mystery and intrigue to the narrative. The release date for the upcoming Reasonable Doubt Season 3 has not announced yet, but we can predict that the third season will release sometime in late 2025. Reasonable Doubt stands out in the crowded landscape of legal dramas by offering a fresh perspective on the profession. It explores the personal toll that high-stakes litigation takes on its practitioners while also delivering compelling courtroom battles. With its strong writing, captivating performances, and thought-provoking themes, Reasonable Doubt is a must-watch for fans of legal thrillers and character-driven dramas. So that's all for now. Be with us and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.